What's good, y'all? Back at y'all with another video, man. Y'all already know what we got going on for the... I don't know how this got in here. Probably because my sunroof tilted and open. But y'all already seen by the title and the thumbnail. Big shout out. Y'all see that thing right there. FLASHARK sent me the oil catch can. You know what I mean? They sent your boy the oil catch can. Make sure y'all use my code down below for some money off. You feel me? Code STINO. Gonna be put right here. So you ready to do an install on this? You feel me? See how it go. You know what I mean? Power your ride, FLASHARK. Yeah, real nice packaging. Real nice boxing. I'm impressed with your FLASHARK. Got the little QR code if y'all want to scan this through y'all TV, y'all phone. Y'all can scan that, take y'all right to y'all site. And yeah, fam, let's go ahead and start the G real quick. I forgot my kill switch is on. Hold on, y'all. I gotta turn the kill switch on. All right, let's go ahead and start the car. Oof. This is gonna save me a little bit of engine life right here. Let's go ahead and get a little video to action. He got two of these. Y'all already know my boy Corey. If y'all ain't know he had a silver G, now he turned into a rear-wheel drive boy. He turned into a rear-wheel drive boy. So yeah, he got the fat ass exit muffler, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Like 2 single exits. And then you gonna change them shits. He really got long tube headers. I saw long tube headers and I saw Y pipe going into a Flowmaster. I said, y'all, they going 2 G's. So right here, my FLASHARK. We got the hood popped and everything. Shout out to big FLASHARK, man. I gotta put this a little better. Shout out to FLASHARK, man. With the oil catch can, about to put them on right now. Use STINO code below for your Q50s, for your G37s, for your 370Zs, all 3.7 VHR, 3.7 motors. Y'all already know what's going on, man. Shout out to them. They sent your boy this. And you already know how sponsorships go. Where it go, the demo crib, get it cracking, get it active. The sun is a little out. It was hot as shit yesterday. It's not too hot today. But the sun's a little out today. And yeah. Got that C8 G right there. But yeah, it's a lot going on with this car that I got to get done, man. It's a lot. It's a lot. I'm going to talk to y'all more about it later on in the video. But let's go ahead and get a little smooth unboxing video of this. Yeah, man, this to give y'all like a real visual, up close and personal. This is everything that comes with the oil catch can, of course. The holes, the tubes, the mount right there with the FLASHARK branding. I kind of like that a lot, low key. Got the little, I don't know what y'all call this, inlet tubes or connectors or whatever. The clamps, more inlet tubes, connectors, and catch cans. So like I said, big shout out to them. Y'all go give them a little like on their Instagram. Go show them some love on their website. And of course, use my code STINO at their website for anything that y'all may need. Yeah, y'all already know what the word is. Y'all know what's going on. Big FLASHARK. We got some more sponsors in the back. I ain't even gonna show y'all too much. You feel me? Gonna show y'all a little sneak peek. Y'all already seen what I got now, for real. But yeah, we got my boy Corey in the back. And the big fresh G with the long tube headers on there. I don't know if I told y'all. I'm gonna show y'all more on the way to demo shit like I told y'all. But yeah, big shout out to FLASHARK for real. I plan to do some more sponsor videos and partnership videos with them for real. So we'll see how this one go. See how y'all like it the way it catch can. I should like it. It's a super with same color wheels I got. That's clean. That's clean as shit. But yeah, we're on the way there. But yeah, I plan to have some more sponsorship videos with them. You know, some more stuff going on. They have a lot for my car, but I kind of have everything that they got for my car. Not gonna lie to y'all. But pretty sure I can stack up on some extra parts and just put them on for y'all. See how I like them, you know. Switch parts, swap parts out, you know, test some horsepower numbers and stuff like that. That's how I'm thinking about it. Well, yeah, we gonna see how it goes. Nemo should get this out of the way real easy. And y'all know he a fiend for real, so yeah. Sound way better. Oh, cap. Sound way better. Let me turn down my music. But I'm liking, I know I showed y'all the wide pipe in the previous video and stuff like that. But other than that, it's way better. Like, that's all Slick I had was just eat me alive, bro. Eat me alive, don't care, man. Hopefully they don't come back. If not, I'm gonna get the ones that my muffler guy, top mufflers, told me about. It's the metal ones, but it's like layers of metal. Shit hooked up too. Surprisingly, it hooked up. Just cruising in the city, man. Turn this up because I know where I'm going now. That bitch sound nice though, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Peace. I already know what we got getting my shit.
Yo.
Something wrong with this nigga, bro.
Something
Something wrong with this nigga, bro. If y'all know what this is, y'all know what this is, man. I'm not even going to explain it, but yeah, he did it himself.
Gotta wick it up for y'all. I gotta wick up the button for y'all.
It's bad.
Oh, shoot. That's hard.
Yeah, that bitch icy. Uh-huh.
Is she moving in? Was she moving in slow shit? Look. Then it speed up. Okay. That's tough.
Damn. Yeah, that shit icy, bro.
Shit crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I be looking at that shit like, yo, I can't stop.
So y'all see why I fucking come here every fucking day. I think someone, I was here last week, someone posted it, someone responded to my story, was like, I ain't gonna lie, bro, you might as well just call this your second home and shit. I said, yeah, I might as well, bro. I be here at least once a week.
That's crazy, bro. I can name the little eyes.
Get y'all the detail.
Too many options.
Yeah, hella shit.
Let me match this up real quick.
What's going on? Yeah, that shit icy.
Shit crazy. Hold on, let me choose one of them that's moving. Couple moving shits.
Trying to tell y'all, but that's why I be coming here, bro.
Yeah, she the only one ain't clear coded, so this one she dying off.
Shit came off, okay.
Yeah.
Recently, right?
Yeah.
All these
did all
boats,
them.
small boats. Yeah, every time I come here, niggas got
I really keep thinking about a way to get rid of this shit, bro. I hate it. I can't stand it.
So you saying like take off this whole thing?
Yeah.
Or just like the outline
I
of
can't
it?
stand it, period. Maybe mine's a little extra raggy, but
Okay.
I can't stand it. I think I'm trying to come up with a way to get rid of that stock look right there.
All right. That's for sale, y'all, too.
Yeah,
Oh, okay with this tuck. Okay.
That shit look clean.
Yeah.
Clean little, just a little quick little clean up. Quick little front top.
Yeah.
That's how that's supposed to be. That's why I keep on saying I'm gonna finish out the joint.
Right.
You know, once I had the whole front off, I'm like,
Would you
man,
paint
why
right
not?
there and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cleaned it up real good, painted that. Can't stop.
It's not doing something.
I had to tell myself twice to chill out today. Slip this in.
Off your own shit, right?
Yeah. That's a rusty ass clip right there. We need to put some oil on that. But try and get it to where it's
Try and get it right there, yeah.
So you can actually see it through there, but
Yeah.
do I want to use some zips? You feel me? Do I want to use a self-tapper screw? Like, right under here, you see, already see you got your clip for this.
All right.
Ain't much.
So y'all, if y'all do get this,
Okay, we need to figure
right
the correct
here,
mounting.
the proper install, unscrew this bolt right there, the other one, lift it up,
Boom.
and slide it in between this little, I guess, plastic part.
Tell them while they at it, go ahead on and install your bolt kit. You feel
Yeah,
me?
you might as well go ahead, yeah.
Go ahead, don't put the OEMs back in.
Don't put the OEM box back in. Make sure that it look a little bit more crisp.
Jesus. God damn. Next step, slide out your OEMs. That's the mama said. They did give you extra hoses to where as though you can pretty much cut the size you want. But I did actually notice something, so I'm not even sure about that cutting the size that you want because
The inlet outlet.
the inlets and the outlets are different sizes.
Okay. So it should go up
That low key just went.
OEM way.
I feel as though. I just thought about something too, y'all.
What?
Thought about something. I'll hook you up with a little something.
Okay. Okay.
It ain't gonna be the day though, y'all.
Oh, that's it. I was talking about right now. I was like, yeah. Okay. Well, I'll be back for the what's the name? I have a little sponsorship videos. Probably sometime this week. Yeah, so we got everything done. Got this hose routed under this. AC lines and little fuses right here. This hose tucked all the way up in there. Come back out. Right here. Let's see this hose is moving. It's not rubbing on the belt or nothing. It's substantial. This hose is probably the easiest one. And the second one easiest shit too, going to that one. But yeah. And it wasn't easy until he figured it out for real. I'm not gonna lie, two heads put that shit together. There's no other install video or like real up close video on YouTube. So if y'all wanna know how to do it.
Yeah, those hoses definitely, they should be numbered pretty much.
Yeah.
You should have numbered the hoses, but. Nobody touched my car but me, bro. I'm the creator. And I'm running like a bat out of hell. This is not a lot of
Shit, that bitch crazy.
I just wanted to make sure that the tag light shit was on, right?
Yeah, the tag light shit on. Netflix and chill in the whip. Oh, that was
yeah, look how quick that shit really busts out for you.
Oh, yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, I'm ready just like this, real now. I got the Netflix.
Yeah.
That's, yo, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, that shit start booting and you feel me? Give it a little something.
That shit
Yeah,
icy,
that
bro.
shit get the camera. That shit crazy, y'all. I swear this shit crazy, though. I can't stop fucking with shit.
Yeah,
Then
bro.
I keep trying to figure out how to act in different settings.
Right.
Like, it's too much shit to do.
Yeah, that's on his FX37.
Yeah, the car play money worth. Oh yeah, you got the dog, that shit.
Bro.
Look, you see, I done put all type of dumbass apps.
On it.
Yeah.
Let me see what's the name? AUXITO.
AUXITO.
Yeah, let me see that.
I gotta grab it
AUXITO.
on the car real quick.
Yeah, let me see that real quick. Yeah, he just slapped in the AUXITO. Yeah, nah, that shit crazy.
Yeah, that bitch wrong already.
You can see it. Nah, that's crazy.
Look, I got a code. I got an engine code.
Right. There you got the engine
Look.
code right there. Pop up for you.
Mm-hmm. There's the tires and all that stupid dumbass shit.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, you can check everything.
Yeah, check the engine code. Everything. Everything, bro.
That's why they detect you.
Alright, y'all, it's the outro of the video. Big shout out to FLASHARK, like I told y'all before. Got me right with the, you come on closer, with the oil catch cans right here, the twin oil catch cans and whatnot. And yeah, use my link down in the description. Also put the code right here, or use their link, use my code down in the description. Put it right here, code STINO. Get you some money off on y'all next day. They got headers, full exhaust, wide pipe, catch cans, of course. What else I see on their website? It's a couple of things just for the VQ, but they also got stuff for Mustangs and headers and Camaros and all that shit. So, yeah, make sure I like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend down below. Yeah, we out.
Thank you. Come again.
I want that shot.